Hello, second graders. This is our English for week 5. We're going to learn poems about nature. We'll start with our new vocabulary and poetry words, then phonics, later the grammar. The 3 poems we're going to learn about are Snow Shape, Nature Walk, and In the Sky. So the story genre is poetry. Let's start our new vocabulary words. The first word is pale. It's an adjective. Check these 2 pictures. See the wall here? It has a light color, a light pink color. And also this one. I chose pale floral patterns for my bedroom walls. So the color here is not dark, it's light. So pale means very light in color or shade. Excite, it's a verb. In these pictures we see the story Oliver Twist. This story, kids your age should know it. It's a story about an orphan boy. So this story has an open-ended. It's an open-ended story, which means its ending, it's not clear. So the reader or the person who is reading the story will be curious about the ending. Open-ended stories excite the curiosity of the reader. So excite means to give a strong feeling of enjoyment. Outdoors, it's an adverb. Here the kids are playing outdoors, and also in this one, the kids enjoyed the activities outdoors. So outdoors mean not inside the building. Drops. It's a noun. It's a plural noun because it ends with S, more than one drop. So here we have drops of, this one, it's a drop of coconut oil. So a drop is a small amount of liquid. A few drops of coconut oil makes our hair healthier. Our new poetry words. Alliteration. It's a noun. Let's check this poem. Its title is She Sells Seashells. She sells seashells by the seashore. The seashells she sells are seashells, I'm sure. So, if she sells seashells by the seashore, then I'm sure she sells seashore shells. So what do you notice here in this poem? We are repeating the first sound in each word. Okay, so the alliteration is the repetition of the first sound in a group of words. Free verse, it's a noun. Let's check this poem here. It's called Chocolate Kiss. Brown, silver foil, smooth, silky, sweet, chewy, gooey, tempting, tempting, meltissimo, like a teardrop, like a bell. I hear you calling. Can I eat you now? Remember that we learned that poems must have rhyming words, but also we have other types of poems that are free verse. They do not have, or they do not need to have words that rhyme. So a free verse, in free verse poems, the words do not rhyme. Repetition. It's a noun. Let's check this poem. It's called Car Sick. I'm car sick. Open a window. I'm car sick. Take this pill. I'm car sick. Rest your eyes. I'm car sick. Shh, be still. So here we are repeating one line. We are repeating it in almost all the poem. So repetition is using the same words or phrases in a poem. Simile. It's a figure of speech. The figures of speech are nouns, adjectives, adverbs, etc. So a simile is a figure of speech. What does it do? So let's check here the first example. Her cheeks are like roses. So here we are comparing her cheeks to the roses. They have the same color, okay? And we use like with similes. Another example, she is as innocent as an angel. So here as well we are comparing her to an angel because they both are innocent. So we can also use as. Simile is a figure of speech that compares two different things in an interesting way by using like or as.